This is a motorcycle helmet lock that I got off of Amazon. It was very cheap. It's a very cheap lock. But let's see how many ways we found to get it open. So Cobra Instruments wave brake. There we go. You can see it's open. Number 2 from the Reaper set. And it's open. So couldn't find my Cobra Instruments one, but this is the multi-pick. It's just the probe. Oh, almost, huh? There we go. That got it open. Alright, so now we'll see what it takes to just pick it open. This is just the number 3 standard hook from the Reaper set. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. 1. 2 or 3, I believe. 1. There we go. And I just had to go back and touch number 4 again. You can see the little arm on the top. It goes up and down when you turn this. But that is the motorcycle helmet lock from Amazon.